Welcome back to Backpack Meals. We're over here in Goiânia, Brazil, and got a special treat for you today because we're making some of Brazil's specialty foods, tapioca. Yes, and this is not the tapioca from the US of A. It doesn't have much flavor to it, but whatever you add to it, it gives it texture. And it turns it into a taco. And we know how much you love tacos. So let's get started. First thing you need is tapioca. You also need whatever foods you want to put in. Lettuce, a tomato, some good old-fashioned brie. Take your pan and turn the heat to about medium. You go add tapioca. If you look here, it's like clumpy. You want to use a sieve. And this tapioca is just amazing. So I kind of messed it up. We'll still eat this. Grape juice from Brazil is some of the best you'll ever try. I didn't even like grape juice before coming out to Brazil. This was grape juice, but now it's just water. So look at that. It's amazing. Just slightly, just try to get the edges and flip it. So this cheese right here is gonna bring your tapioca tortilla to another level. Just nice and thick slices. Thicker, the better. And get some lettuce. So add pepper until your hands hurt. Nice fold right there. So that's today's backpack meals. We got our tapioca tortilla, and now we're about to take our first bite. This is Backpack Meals.